guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing baby back ribs. I made them in the pressure cooker, so they're very fast to make and really tender. It's super easy to put this recipe together, so let's get started. Okay guys, we're starting with a 3-pound baby back pork ribs. I love baby back ribs because they always come out nice and tender. So the first thing we're going to do is turn over our meat, and on the side there's a very thick membrane that has to be removed. All you have to do is stick your finger under the membrane and gently pull it off the bones. So here is the membrane. It's very chewy and you don't want to chew on this. It's so horrible. Alright, now we're going to season the ribs with some cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, dried mustard, paprika, salt, and pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together and season your ribs very generously with your spices. Also guys, don't forget to season the bone side as well. We don't want to miss out on any flavor. Alright, once we're done seasoning, we're going to cut the meat into 3 equal parts. That way they can easily fit into the pressure cooker. So here's my pressure cooker. I absolutely love it. I'll leave details in the description box if you're interested in getting one, okay? So first, we're going to set the cooker to the saute or brown setting. Next, we're going to sear the ribs, so drizzle some olive oil in the pressure cooker pan. We're going to sear the meat for about 3 minutes on both sides until golden brown. Searing gives so much flavor and a beautiful color to the ribs. Also guys, make sure you sear the meat separately. We don't want to overcrowd the pan because we want the perfect sear, okay? Alright, once searing is done, go ahead and set the meat aside, and in the same pan, we're going to saute some onions and garlic. Cook these for about a minute until they're flavorful and turn translucent, and we're going to deglaze the pan with some chicken broth. Go ahead and mix it all together, and you see all the brown bits in the pan getting deglazed. That is awesome flavor. Alright, once this comes to a simmer, go ahead and put in the pressure cooker steamer and place the ribs on the steamer. Next, place the lid on and make sure you close the valve to lock in the steam. Then you're going to set it to meat. If your pressure cooker doesn't have a meat button, you can simply set it to 30 minutes. When it's done cooking, let it sit for about 20 minutes before opening. That way the pressure can naturally drop. Then we're going to take the ribs out of the pan. Alright, now we're going to make a delicious sauce with the drippings. Go ahead and set your pressure cooker to the saute or brown setting. Let the drippings cook and come to a simmer. Then we're going to add some ketchup. We're also adding tomato paste and molasses. Last, we're adding apple cider vinegar. Stir everything together and let it cook until it thickens up. Alright, that looks good. Last, we're going to coat the ribs in the sauce and they are ready to be served. These ribs came out so good. The flavor is amazing. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. And make sure you like this video if you want to see more pressure cooker recipes, okay? Thank you guys for joining me today. Make sure to send me photos on Instagram if you make this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'll see you soon. Bye.